One of my favorite things about working here would be the fact that I get to work on a lot of different things. In some companies, you work on strictly residential equipment, or maybe it's just commercial traditional systems. But here at KMS, I get a lot of different variety. One of my drives for being a technician is that I like the challenge. And so working on a lot of different things, I get to be challenged in a lot of different areas. I get to grow my knowledge and the base as far as what I can work on. So that's probably one of my favorite things about working here.
I enjoy the team atmosphere. A lot of people talk about team, but we actually do it here. So everybody works with everybody. Everybody tries to help everybody, and at the end of the day, everything's complete. There's a lot of support between the employees here, and I know a lot of people say like family, but we actually practice it.
I like the support that I have on the back end and having an autonomous position where they don't micromanage me and they trust me to go do my best.
I like working for KMS. It's more of a family-oriented company. We're not a hire and fire company. Kind of a mom and pop type. It's more, we do look out for each other. The camaraderie is a lot better at this company. They don't treat you like a number. They treat you like a person.
The team mentality and the support system. Anytime I have any type of questions or problems, I can reach out to anybody pretty much in the whole building, and they're able to answer my questions, give me the right answers.
I feel this is a great opportunity for me to impart my knowledge to the new guys coming up into the trade. So that's been thrilling to when I can talk to a mechanic and I see the light come on and I can impart some wisdom, not just as a mechanic, but also as a person as well. I value integrity. I would not work for KMS unless they had integrity.
I've worked at a few companies in my life, and KMS gives me the ability to be myself. I'm able to provide information and provide a team atmosphere for my fellow employees. So being able to use that knowledge and what I don't like and what I do like within my company is very powerful for me.